Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Whirlpool stove is showing you an error code, this means that the appliance has detected a specific system fault. So in today's video, I will show you how you can diagnose the most common Whirlpool stove error codes and how you can fix them properly. So first of all, you need to understand this thing that different Whirlpool stove codes point to different systems. For example, if you are having the F1 error code, it is relating to main board issue. If there is F2 or F3 error, it is relating to temperature sensors and overheating problem. The F5 error is equal to door latch or communication fault. Then we have F9 error, which is relating to door lock system error. Then if you are having the F6 even error code, it is user interface or control board communication failure. So matching the exact code is going to help target the correct repair faster. Now, many Whirlpool errors begin with temporary control glitch. So in order to fix any one of these errors, you just have to first of all turn off the power at the breaker, or you can unplug the stove and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is going to basically reset the electronic control system, restore the power and test the operation. If after doing this resetting, if the code clears, the issue may have been temporary. So you can also press the power button and then you can just simply wait for about 10 to 20 seconds for it to basically restart or reset, and this can also fix the error. Now depending on the code, you can check the important systems such as temperature sensor, door latch, lock motor and heating circuits. The physical failures often trigger recurring stove errors, so correcting the damaged components can restore safe operation. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.